Okay, hello. So I am always looking for ways to make tight tassels on my journals. I usually have the rings. I don't even have any to show you, that you attach to your tassel and then you attach it to your journal. So I'm out of my rings. I'm not even sure exactly where I got them. I think I just collected them and now they're gone. So I'm always looking for ways to do my tassels. So the last journal I did worked out really well. Actually, the one before that. And so I'm going to try it again. So you want the top of your journal. So this is the top. So I use my trusty crocodile, make your hole. And then you get a button that is the size that will fit in between your signatures. It's a good thing I checked because I was going to use this pretty button, but it's too big. And then this particular way is you have your tassels. And I haven't enclosed them yet because I did my button first, and this thread is hard to get in the button. So generally you would want to take your tassel, you want to put it in, and I'm doing this backwards. So take whatever thin thread that you have that will go through your button. Wait, this still isn't going to work. For the love of Pete, I don't think. No. Okay. Take your tassels, put it through, and you're going to make it tight. And then I got to take my button off. And you could even knot that. And then you want to find the hole. Hopefully it's in the middle. Where you did your punch, and put your thread through. It actually may work if you even had thin thread that you wanted to thread it with a needle. So push it through. There. And see, this here is not even included anymore. Nice. So that's what it looks like. And you want good sturdy thread as well. So you want to pull it tight. Flip your journal over. And find your button that I just lost. For the middle. And I always make sure that they're long enough so you have these tassels to hang down, and you can also use them as bookmarks as well. And then we got to thread it through again. And then you want to take your other string and the thread that through another hole, pick it up from the back. Hope you guys can see my fat fingers here, through my fat fingers. preferably an opposite hole. Oh my. And preferably through the right way that you want your button to show. I had mine backwards. You gotta love real time. Bloopers. Okay. So there's that. And then you want to go on the opposite. And to get it nice and tight, I'm going to tie it here. That's why you want good sturdy thread. This here thread is kind of, but it likes to unravel. There. Oh my gosh, I did it again. I put it in the wrong hole. Oh my dear. The opposite hole. Or just, you can do it in this hole beside it. It just looks funny. It just looks off balance. Hopefully we'll get this right. There. So then you want to, this is where your good sturdy thread comes in. So you want to make sure that it's nice and tight here, because that's what's holding your, make sure your tassels are somewhat, and then you want to tie it. Tie it nice and tight. Hope that your string doesn't break. You could even put glue on your button if you want. And there, your button is tight, your tassel is tight, and then, where's the middle? If you leave a long enough thread off your button, like this, you can use it for bookmarks, and I am actually going to thread some beads on this so they'll hang down and dangle and match with the journal. So that's an easy way of doing a tassel without all of the fangled metal. They're nice clips and everything, but if you don't have them, this is a great solution. Oh, can you see it? And it works really well because you can tie it really tight. Yeah, so have fun. If anyone does it and wants to share, please let me know. Have a great day.